permanent markers.
Also, those ones, they want that glass thing. Like that.
I don't know.
Snowflakes falling gently from the sky. Children laughing as they pass by. The cozy fire crackling low.
So what's this?
Gingerbread.
Gingerbread house. Yeah, but it's a kit. You have to do it yourself. What's that?
Hot chocolate mix.
Yes. The packaging is so cute.
Yeah, it's very cute. And the palm on top. I don't know. Bread with raisins inside.
That's called panettone.
This is heavy. Lift it. It's so heavy.
Open up and see. Huh?
What is this?
Yeah.
What is this? Kinetic sand.
You wanted that?
Yeah. Don't tell me it's more snow.
It looks like it.
More snowy. Yay! I always wanted this back.
Where is it? Magic snow. That they are shaped like Christmas trees. Those are also Christmas trees.
Oh. And it's sweet, right?
Yeah. What else is in there? What does it feel like? You seem disappointed.
No, it's pretty. It's a nice mouthful. This one.
What do you think that is? Why do you think that? What if it's not?
I'm sure it's
Okay, open it up. Retro. Brand retro. Retro means like old, like something from the past. Maybe in the big box. She loves books. What's in there?
That's a lot of cheese. I'm not gonna open it all because
But I want to see what's inside, so take them all out. My favorite. Your favorite? Santa. Lollies. That's your favorite? Oh, he should have got more of that. No, but these are the white ones. Did you see? White chocolate. Yeah.
White inside.
Yeah.
Because I didn't know it was that like.
So sweet. This is the last thing, yeah? Let's see what's inside. there's rocks inside as well, so you can paint. Like it? Happy with everything? Happy kid?
Yeah.
What do you say?
Good. Very good.
What do you say?